Welcome back. It's been an afternoon. We moved the table into the shed for the winter. Making some progress. Got a couple new additions. This Mark's Rock Island AB unit with cars. I like that one with the tractor. That looks pretty neat. Auto loader, no cars. I'll come up with something. And a bay window caboose that says Rock Island on it. Pretty cool. I also got this Lionel Pennsylvania 8551, if my eyes are correct. Runs beautiful. Came with the pantographs. And then this. I'm going to run it real quick because it's a little dry. She needs a cleaning. I don't want to run it too much without taking it apart, clean it, and giving her some lube. Two times around should be enough. But as you can see, they're in pretty good shape. Runs. Made it around 2 times without bouncing off the track or backing up like the typical Marks do before they get cleaned up. Has both the jewels on the back. Pretty neat. As I was saying before my phone shut off by itself, it's brand new. Samsung. Garbage. But what I was saying is the 2 coach cars are in real nice shape. The tender, not so much. Locomotive, not so much. But I'm sure we can shine it up. Does run forward and backwards. And it makes it around the loop without backing up by itself, like all these Marks seem to do. I gotta get some polish or something to bring that brass or copper back. If anybody knows any kind of good ideas to do that, let me know. I don't want to ruin the thing. But I finally got one. I wanted one for a long time and been looking, and they're just so overpriced. And I won't even tell you what I got this for, because everybody will want it. All right. And that's the progress. I got to finish the trestle area over there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Leave comments. Definitely leave comments. I read them all.